students, welcome back to the career platform. I am Anuradha, your maths teacher. Here in this video I will cover the introduction of the class 8, that is chapter number 6, square and square roots. Okay, so what is the squares? Squares, we know squares in geometry. Okay, squares is like this. Okay, all four sides are equal, we know that the squares, but here the square and square roots, this is talking about the algebra square. This is talking about the algebra square. So what is the algebra square? I am talking about this. It is 2 square. Okay, 2 की power 2 to the power 2 raised to the power 2. What you will read? 2 raised to the power 2. It is in the exponent. Okay, the power. Okay, so here it can be written as 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. Like this, if it is 6 square, 6 into 6, that is 36. Okay, so that is the squares. If it is 10 square, 10 into 10, that is the 100. So this is the algebra square. Okay students, now the next topic is property of the square. Okay, so first we will write the square of 1 to 10. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square, 10 square. So 1 square means 1 into 1, that is 1. 2 square means 2 into 2, that is 4. 3 square, 3 3s are 9. 4 square, that is 4 4s are 16. 5 square means 25. 5 5s are 25. 6 square is 6 6s are 36. 7 square, 7 7s are 49. 8 square, that is 8 8s are 64. 9 raised to the power 2. Okay, that is 9 square. 9 9s are 81. 10 10s are 100. So you should know up till here, up to 10. Okay, that should be remembered, that should be learnt. Okay, so here if you want 24 raised to this power 2. Okay, so how you will calculate? So it is definitely that the last digit, that is in the ones place, it is 4 square. Okay, so 4 square, what is the 4 square? That is 16. Its ones place is 6. Okay, so it will come 6 here definitely. Okay, that is the ones place. Here you can see in the ones place, okay, 4 square. So 4 4s are 16. Here it is the ones place is 6. Okay, so definitely it is having 6 as the ones place. You can calculate by multiplying 24 into 24. So 4 4s are 16, 1 is carry, 4 2s are 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay, then 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4 plus 1 is 5. 6, okay, it is the unit place. Then 9 plus 8 is 17, 5 plus 1 is 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4 here. Sorry for the mistake. Here 2 2s are 4. Okay, so 9 plus 8 is 17, 4 plus 1 is 1 is carry, 4 plus 1 is 5. So I am getting 576. So here 576. So we know that ones place is 6 by seeing this last digit number. Okay, so for the perfect square, if it is any digits, if it is any digit like 2 5 6 3 2 4 or 5, okay, like this is the digit, you have to know the square. So ones place is definitely, it is the ones place, that is 5. So what is the square of 5? That is 25. So it will be in the ones place is 5 here. So its ones place is definitely 5. Okay, like this you have the question also in the exercise 6.1. So for the perfect square, I can guess by seeing the number how you can find that is it is a perfect square or not. So for this you can see here, for the perfect square, this is 1, last digit is 1, 1, 0. Okay, so 0, 1, 1 here 2 times, here and here. Okay, 4 here, it is also 2 times, 4. Then 6, 5, 6. Okay, and what else? 9. If it is having last digit, having last digit or ones place, last digit or ones place. Okay, if it is having like this, okay, this number, if in any number this is having the last digit or ones place, so it will be a perfect square. Okay, so for finding a perfect square, this is the necessary. Okay students, next topic is finding square. How you have to find square? Okay, so some trick is having, if I have to find 42 square, so I can write this 40 plus 2 whole square. Okay, one formula for this, that is a plus b ka whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is the formula you have to learn. Okay, a plus b is equal to a square plus a plus b ka whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here it is a is equal to 40 and b is equal to 2. Okay, so here what we have to do, 40 whole square plus 2 into 40 into 2 plus 2 whole square. Okay, so 4 4s are 16 and 00 it will be plus 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 160 plus 2 2s are 4. So here I am getting 4, 6 plus 1 7, 1764. So I am getting here 1764. Like this you can calculate by any square. Okay students, the next topic is Pythagorean triplet. Okay, what is Pythagorean triplet? We have the 3 numbers. Okay, we know the Pythagoras theorem, right? Like this we have the Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle. Okay, so it is A, B and C. So this is the hypotenuse, maybe it is 5, that is 3 and 4, like this. We have the perpendicular here, this is the CA is perpendicular. Okay, AB is a base and CB is equal to hypotenuse, like this. Okay, so this is the, we can use Pythagoras theorem in the right angle triangle only. Like this we have the Pythagorean triplet. So its formula is c square is equal to a square plus b square. Like this we have the Pythagorean triplet. C square means hypotenuse square. Here c square means hypotenuse square equal to a square means perpendicular square plus base square, like this. Okay, so this is the formula for the Pythagoras theorem. we have the Pythagoras theorem. It will apply only in the right angle triangle. That should be remember. Okay, so Pythagorean triplet is like this only. So we have, if we write 3 square plus 4 square, okay, 3 3s are 9, 4 square is 4 4s are 16. So 16 plus 9 is 25. Okay, so 25 is the 5 square. Okay, we know 5 square equal to 25. So that is the answer, that is 3 square plus 4 square is equal to 5 square. So this, okay students, here you can see that 3 square plus 4 square equal to 5 square, means this is the formula for Pythagoras theorem. So 3 4 5 are in Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so for this we have the, for m terms we have 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. This is the for m numbers, okay, are in Pythagorean triplet. If it is given that Pythagorean triplet, if it is given, so you can find the numbers also. Okay, so like this is the topic. Now the next topic is the square root. We are over with squares. Okay, so square root is, if it is 4 square equal to 16, that is the square of 4. If we want, this square will be like this, square root of 16. So it is the opposite. Okay, square root of 16 is 4, like this. Square root of 25 is, we know 5 square equal to 25. So this square is turned over to the square root of that. So this is the 5. So these are the square root. Now in this we have the repeated subtraction. This is one method to find the square root. One example I am taking, one example, under root of 100. Okay, so we want that square root of 100, we know that square root of 100 is 10. So how you find in the repeated subtraction? So you have to subtract with the odd numbers, okay, in the sequence manner. 100 minus 1, that is 99, then 99, after 1, what is the odd number? 3. 99 minus 3 is 96, then 96 minus 5, okay, after 3 odd number is 5, so 91, then 91 minus, after 5 what is the odd number? 7, that is 84, okay, 11 minus 7 is 4 and this 9 will become 8. After 7, 9 is the odd number. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that is 5, okay, 14 minus 9 is 5 and 8 becomes 7, 75, okay. We have to subtract up till it is not coming 0 as the result, okay. So here after 9, what is the odd number? 11, so 4, 7 minus 1 is 6, okay. After 11 it is 13, 64 minus 13. That is 4 minus 3 is 1, 6 minus 1 is 5. Okay. After 13, what is the odd number? 15. So 11 minus 5 is 6 and 4 minus 1 is 3. So I am getting 36. After 15, it is 17. 17 is the odd number. Okay. So 16 minus 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 9. Okay, I am getting 9 here and 2, 1, 1. So after 17, what is the odd number? It is 19. So I am subtracting with 19. So in the sequence manner, you have to subtract with the odd number. Okay, so 100 minus 1, I am getting 99. So that result will be subtracted with 3. Okay, that is the next odd number. in the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17. Then 19 minus 90, I am getting 0. So I have to stop here. So that is the how many steps we have to count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So how many steps? There is 10 steps. In 10 steps I am getting result 0. So that is the square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. You can take any number and you can apply this repeated subtraction. Okay, so this is the repeated subtraction method. Okay students, our next topic is how to find a square root. So for finding a square root, first method is prime factorization. So I am taking one example, 729. So you have to prime factorize it. So you can see here our last digit is not an even number, so it is not divisible by 2. So next for divisibility test for 3. So you have to sum the digits. That is 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. So 18 is the divisible by 3. So here 3 2s are 6, 1 12, 3 6 are, sorry, not 3 6 are 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Okay. So 4 5 6, 6 plus 3 is 9. So again it will go by 3, 3 8s are 24, 3 1s are 3. 8 plus 1 is 9, again 3, 3 2s are 6, 7 8 21, 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay, so 3 1s are 3, but 1 is not including prime factors. So prime factors is 729 is having prime factors. How many 3s? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, 6 3s are there. So for finding a square root, what we have to do? We have to pair of 2 by from the last digit. There is 2 pairs. So what I will do, the one pair is having one number, that is 3. Okay, from there we have to pick only one number. Okay, so 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So under root of 729 is equal to, answer is 27. That is the first method. Okay, that is the prime factorization. Okay students, next topic is long division method. That is the second method to find a square root. Okay, so we will take that example only. That is 729. How to find a square root by the long division method? You have to pair, you have to make the bar by, from the last digit you have to pair of 2. Okay, you have to put a pair of bar from the pair of 2. If it is not pair, so that is a single. Okay, you have to take bar. Okay, so here 7 it is. Okay, here it is 7. So here you can see 2 2s are 4. In the squares only you have to take 2 2s are 3 3s are 4 4s are like this. So you have to see what is here 7. Here 2 2s are 4, then 3 3s are 9. So 9 is bigger than 7. So what we will do? 2 2s are 4. I am taking here 2 2s are 4. Okay, 2 2s are 4 here. So 7 minus 4 is 3. And 29 as it is, because it is in the bar, so both numbers is coming in the here. Okay, and here what will come? This 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 will become 4 here. Okay, now you have to see in which squares last digit is 9. Here 3 3s are 9 and 7 7s are 49. So last digit is in the both 3 and 7. So we will see 43 into 3. Okay, so 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 129. So 329 is bigger than 129. Okay, this is a smaller. Now we will see for 7. We will check for 7. 47 into 7. So 7 sevens are 49. 7 fours are 28. 28 plus 4 is 32. I am getting here 329. Okay. So the same number I am getting here. So here 7 sevens are 47 into 7 will be 329 and I am getting here remainder 0. Like this you have to find in the long division method. So this is under root 729, I am getting again 27. So we had seen two methods, that is for finding a square root, that is the prime factorization and the long division method. Okay, whichever will be easy, you can choose any one. So I hope you understood up till here. In the next video I will cover exercise 6.1 of the square and square roots. So please like, share, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you and have a nice day.